Welcome to this tutorial on dot sourcing in PowerShell. Dot sourcing is a powerful technique that allows you to load scripts into your current session. This means you can access functions, variables, and other definitions from external script files directly in your PowerShell environment. Understanding this concept will help you organize your code better and reuse functions across different scripts. In PowerShell, there are two primary ways to execute a script file. The first method is normal execution, where the script runs in its own isolated scope. This means any functions or variables defined in that script are not available after the script finishes running. The second method is dot sourcing, which runs the script in your current scope. This keeps everything accessible even after the script completes execution. Let's look at the syntax difference between these two methods. For normal execution, you simply type a dot followed by a backslash and the script name, like ./script.ps1. For dot sourcing, you add a single dot and a space before the path. So it becomes .space.\script.ps1. That single dot with a space is what makes all the difference in how PowerShell executes your script. Here's a simple example script file called helpers.ps1. Inside this file, we define a function called get-greeting that writes a message to the host saying hello from helper. We also create a variable called message with the value script loaded. When we run this script normally, these definitions stay trapped inside the script's scope. But with dot sourcing, they become available in our current session. Let's see the practical difference in action. If we run the script using normal execution with ./helpers.ps1 and then try to call the get-greeting function, PowerShell returns an error saying command not found. The function was defined but isn't accessible anymore. However, if we use dot sourcing by typing .space.\helpers.ps1 and then call get-greeting, it works perfectly. The function is now part of our current session. Dot sourcing is incredibly useful for several scenarios. First, you can load helper functions that you use frequently across different scripts. Second, you can import variables and configuration settings into your session. Third, it's perfect for reusing code modules without having to copy and paste functions everywhere. Finally, it's excellent for initializing your PowerShell environment with custom functions and settings every time you open a new session. A common real-world use case is in your PowerShell profile script. Your profile is a script that runs automatically every time you start PowerShell. Inside your profile, you can use dot sourcing to load multiple script files. For example, you might dot source a file containing custom functions, another file with your aliases, and a third file with environment settings. This keeps your profile organized and makes it easy to manage your PowerShell customizations. Let's recap the key points. First, dot sourcing uses the syntax .space.\script.ps1. Remember that space after the first dot is essential. Second, dot sourcing loads functions and variables into your current scope, making them available for use after the script runs. Third, this technique is perfect for profile scripts and code reuse, helping you build a more efficient and organized PowerShell environment. With dot sourcing, you can structure your code in modular, reusable files.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.